Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to make this adorable blanket in just one evening without using a crochet hook or knitting needles. I used 5 skeins of ALIZE Puffy yarn and the blanket turned out to be 40 by 40 inches. For this yarn we don't need any hooks or needles. This yarn already consists of ready-made loops of the same size. Okay, let's start with the first skein. I used 5 skeins in total for my blanket, but you can use more or less if you like. The method stays the same. I used orange yarn for my blanket color 06. Cut the first loop like in the video. This will help secure the yarn later. Now we have a little tail to secure the yarn. Count out 50 loops. This will be the width of the blanket. Now pull the first loop through the 50th loop. Next, pull the 52nd loop through the 49th loop. Now we are working in reverse. Keep pulling loop through loop until you reach the end of the row. Simply take the yarn and pull it through each loop of the previous row. This is really relaxing, so I suggest having a show or movie on in the background. It makes the time fly. Here is the last loop of the first row. Pull a loop through it. Now we move on to the second row. Just pull through another loop. Then keep pulling loops through in the opposite direction until the end of the row. The idea is very simple. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. Next, we continue working in exactly the same way. If you'd like to make a larger blanket, I'll provide a size chart. For a long time I didn't want to try knitting with this yarn, but it turned out to be a very relaxing and calming activity. You can also easily make pillows and even toys with this yarn, and the best part is you don't need any tools at all. I've even seen people make cardigans from this yarn. I started knitting this blanket at around 7 p.m, so I'll try to finish it by midnight. This is how much I got from the first skein. I ran out of my first skein, so let me show you how to join the next one. Cut the last loop of the old skein and now tie the loop from the new skein to it with a simple knot. You also need to cut the loop from the new skein so that the yarn tail is a bit longer. Tie a secure knot. Trim the excess yarn so it won't be visible. Now just continue knitting with the new skein. If you are going to wash this blanket, it's best to use a delicate cycle. It's often recommended to wash it by hand, but I washed mine in the machine and it was totally fine. Now we just need to finish off the blanket's loops. Start from the left side of the row. Take the first loop with your fingers and pull the next loop through it. Keep one loop in your hand, then take the next loop and pull it through the loop you are holding. Repeat across the row until only one loop remains. Gently pull the last loop to secure the edge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!